Welcome to the Hillview Workshop. My name is Piper. I am the marketing coordinator at RG Cowan Design Build. The goal behind this project was to give the clients a space to tinker and store their RV. As you can see, this building is actually a metal building, and this allowed for the client's project to not need support beams like a normal stick build would, which gives them ample room to move their tools and equipment around as each project requires without many limitations. While this is a metal building, we did cover the exterior with stucco to follow the HOA guidelines. It is in the color beige, which matches the existing home. There are 4 garage doors spaced around the exterior of this workshop. They're the flush panel from Midland Garage Door in the color Terra Bronze, and they offer a very minimalist modern design. And we really love that, and the clients opted to go for plain glass, which continues that look. These sconces are Mace-Lick lantern sconces in the color Oil Rubbed Bronze. Another interesting feature is the lack of traditional downspouts. Typically, the water is funneled down the side of the wall, but the owners decided that they didn't want traditional downspouts. The water just comes out of the spigots above. There's landing pads below made of river rug, and this prevents the water from removing the dirt and creating puddles. On the north side of the building, we extended the roof line to allow for some outdoor storage. This protects what is being stored year-round from the sun. The interior of this building houses a half-bath bathroom, a small storage room, in addition to all the open storage space and RV parking. While this was constructed for functionality, the versatility of metal structures and metal buildings is unmatched. See you next time.